morning. I am Harsh Kumar. I am a student of class 12th from Mukandlal National Senior Secondary School, Rajur, District Yamunanagar. Today I am here to present my model about the wireless controlling system under the sub-theme of interactive softwares. This model is based on the idea that we can control our electrical devices by using mobile phone, by click and from anywhere. Now let's discuss about the parts that we use in that model. Firstly, we use a DTMF module, which is dual tone multi-frequency module. It is the main module of our model. It is used by telephone companies, and in our model we use it to identify the signals that we are giving to it. It is connected to a Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module is a sound module of Bluetooth, which is connected to the mobile device. And then DTMF module is connected to the relays. The relays are getting input from the DTMF module, and then the relay, basic use of relay is to operate, switch on or off the devices that are connected at the low voltage. As we know, the DTMF module does not support AC supply or heavy supply, so we use a 5 volt DC supply to it and the AC source to power the electrical devices. And let's talk about the circuit diagram. The DTMF module is connected to the Bluetooth module at point P and Q on DTMF circuit, which are the inputs for DTMF, and then the output of DTMF module, which is D0, D1 and D2, which is connected to the relays input pin, and the relay or DTMF module is powered by a 9 volt DC battery, and then a relay is connected to the bulb and fan, which is also connected with the AC supply. Now let's see the working of the model. Here I open the tone deaf application in my phone, and when I press 1 here, the bulb 1 is glowing, and for second the second bulb, and for 4 the both bulbs are glowing, and for third one the both are off. Now let's see how it works. Firstly, we used a Bluetooth module, which is not a proper Bluetooth module that HC6 or HC5. It is a headphone Bluetooth because it needed only the music on the sound signals, because the DTMF module is used to identify the sound signals, whether it checks the frequency of the sound that is coming, and after the Bluetooth module is connected to the mobile, and further it is connected to the DTMF module. The DTMF module identify the sound and then give input to the relays that are further connected to the bulbs, and it works like that. When I press 1, it goes to the Bluetooth module, through the Bluetooth module to DTMF, and DTMF then identify whether it is for the relay 1 or relay 2. Then it give input to the relays, and then relay operate the devices that are connected. Now I am talking about the uses of the model. The basic use of the model is to control the electrical devices by our mobile phone. When we are present at home, we can connect our mobile device to the model and control the devices by using Bluetooth. But when we are not present at home or not in the range of the Bluetooth, then we can control devices by calling the connected device which is present at home, and then opening keypad and pressing 1 2. Basically, the 1 2, the keypad keys, when we press keypad keys, then they generate some specific signals that are identify the DTMF module. So because the calling mode is using the mobile network, so there is no range of that mode, so we can control our electrical devices from anywhere, from any corner of the world where the mobile networks are present.